Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat here on YouTube. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about this little girl that believes she is white.
I know a lot of people take issue with my beliefs. I'm white. I'm a Caucasian because everything about me is different from an African American.
Okay, let's go all the way back to Rachel Dozier, who is a white woman that identifies as black. She identifies herself as being a black woman.
Just ask you the question in simple terms again, because you've sent mixed signals over the years. Are you an African American woman?
I identify as black.
So a lot of people are up in arms about this black girl saying that she believes she is white, but the same thing happened to Rachel Dozier when she came out and said she identified as black. People are saying that they're taking transgenders people's issue, because transgenders have a lot of issues in today's society, and they're making it into something about being transracial. Quite honestly, I have no words for this little girl. She is going to get a rude awakening as far as her finding out that she is black. She is a black woman. She is going to have to live as a black woman and go through everything statistically and stereotypically that black women go through in today's society. And when she do go through those, she's going to have a very rude awakening, and I feel sorry for her. Honestly, she is actually very delusional. To me personally, I'm sure she don't think she's delusional at all.
Naturally straight hair. My hair isn't nappy. It doesn't require weave. My nose is not giant as like African Americans. My lips are perfect. They're not too big and they're not too small. Like, they're just perfect. My ears, I don't have black people ears because they're really giant. Most African Americans speak ghetto, but when it comes to black people, I think they're all ugly and I have nothing in common with them.
But if Rachel Dozier can go on national TV and say she identifies as a black woman, why can't this little girl say she identifies as a white woman? What do you guys think? Do you think she's going to get a rude awakening and is not going to be pretty? Do you think that she's living in La La Land and she needs to get out? If that was your daughter, what would you do to snap her out of this train of thought, this mindset? Or do you believe that people should be able to identify as what they are, whether they're born that specific race or not?
I act and I think like a white person instead of a black person. I believe that I'm completely and utterly better than them. Like, we're on two different levels. Like, okay, African Americans are here. I'm here. White.
Honestly, I don't think people should identify as transracial because it will cause a whole lot of issues. And quite frankly, I just don't think it should happen. Yes, people can be born transgender. They're born with multiple organs. We know that scientifically. They think that they are somebody else. They're actually a male when they're born in a female body, and we know that scientifically transgender, it's scientifically proven. Transracial is just a whole lot of BS to me personally, and I feel like people are going to use it as a opportunity to create a particular narrative that they want to be, or they want to be seen as, when in truth and reality that's not who they are. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this story. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl, and I'm proud of here, man. Deuces.
People act and think just way more mature than African Americans. Black people, they think in a criminal way. When I think about African Americans, I feel like asking them, what is wrong with them? They're really dangerous. If an African American is on the same street as I am, I'll cross the street to avoid their chaotic, thuggish ways.
All them a preach and preach, step over they go beat and teach. Them a jive by and all know them can't reach. Go on back up for your grandmother preach. Them a pussy on the street and me see it. Go over they go beat and teach. Beat and teach. So beat and teach. So beat and teach.